Hello everyone, Dan keeping Jeet, Kune, Physiology and more. Today is day 7 of martial arts integration. You know what that means? It's time for a challenge. First, let's do a recap. So there are different ways that I taught you, that I explained how to integrate martial arts into your life and whatnot, vice versa, whatever it may be. Yes, there are many different ways, but we must find our own way. That's why I emphasize physiology, or our physiological responses, how I am different from you, how you are different from 100,000, 100 million other people out there. We are all different in our own ways. We might have some similarities even to our brothers, sisters, whatever it may be, but we are all different. We are all unique in our own ways. We are all different in our own ways, and we all have a different mindset that changes over time. Our lives change over time. Our mindsets change over time, and how your mindset changes, honestly, is up to you. And one way to actually gain more of a positive mindset is to integrate martial arts into your life. Learn how to integrate that, and then also learn how to apply life to martial arts. If you, like me, you are a martial artist, or even if you're interested in it, or whatever it may be. Okay, so as far as recapping for the week, obviously we went over gaining peace within. Mind, body, and spirit is the most important connection to have, because when you have that, you tap into certain parts of your brain that actually regulates things throughout your body. Not to get too scientific on it, but there are different pathways and whatnot that honestly have been scientifically proven to change in a positive aspect once you connect your mind, body, and spirit together. And that goes with meditation, breathing exercises, everything like that. All of those things tie into these different ways of the synapses, or the pathways of the brain, to change not only our mindsets in life, but also to really, what I call, evolve as an individual. Because yes, we evolve as a human race. Some may or may not believe this, but if you don't believe it, well, you should, because it's absolutely true. We actually can and will and can. We are capable of of evolving as individuals. But in order to do that, we got to have that mind, body, spirit connection. We got to have that peace within. We got to get as much possible tension out of our bodies, not let things stress us out, and not let things get to us. Yes, there's barricades in life. Yes, there's lots of things it's going to try, but we cannot let them take over. We've got to be relentless and push past those things and continue to push ourselves in our lives. So here's the challenge. I want you to pick 3 things, 3 different ways you are going to integrate martial arts into your life, or life into martial arts if you are a martial artist. I want you to pick your 3 ways. I'm not going to give you 3 ways, because you must find your 3 ways. So if you're not sure what things that went over, go back and watch at least certain parts of the videos and see what different ways. Just spark some ideas. I don't want you to necessarily do what I say, or what I instruct you to do. However, that is going to help. So, okay, let me give you an example of exactly what I mean by that. What I mean is, okay, so I say, go down to a moving body of water and find peace. Yes, that's a good idea. Go down there, but have your own ways of doing it. Sometimes I meditate. Sometimes I'll do breathing exercises. Sometimes I'll just sit there and just gaze upon it and listen to the birds chirp and the water flow, if I can hear the water flow. So find your own ways, and don't always use the same way. One day you might find peace in one way. Another day you might find peace in another way. Go where the emotion is strong. If you have a feeling to just go out in the woods and not go by water that day, go out in the woods, because that's when the emotion is strong. And that is your intuition telling you what is going to enhance your life the most. So I want you to challenge yourself with this. I want you to push yourself. I want you to do whatever it takes to get past and get to that next level of life, to achieve your greatness, because you are amazing. You're unique, but you got to believe yourself. You got to believe that you are, and you got to believe that good things are supposed to happen to you, and you must believe that it's possible, and it's possible for you. I know it's possible for me, and I know it's possible for you, but do you truly believe it's possible for you? And if you don't, you honestly, you should start now. So let's get this. Stay motivated, believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there. Let's go. Smash, punch, kick that like button. Just don't break it. Let's get out there and do something. Let's go.